Let's try another related rates problem. This one is not a story problem. It's just like a pure algebra problem. But we're still going to start it the same way. We have given, implied, and find. So we are given that dx dt equals -6, y equals 4, and xy equals 12. We want to find dy dt. Now, there is actually a piece of information that's implied in this problem, and that is what x equals. If I know that x times y equals 12 and y equals 4, then I know that x is going to be 3. So that's your implied piece of information. Now, just like last time, we're going to find an equation that relates all the variables. In this one, it's already given to us. And now we want to differentiate that equation that relates all the variables. This is a product rule, so I have to do the first one times the derivative of the second, plus the second times the derivative of the first. The derivative of x is not 1, because just like we did in the last problem, we're taking these derivatives with respect to time. So the derivative of x is dx dt. The derivative of y is dy dt. So now I do my product rule. X times dy dt plus y times dx dt. And the derivative of 12 is 0. Now let's plug in what we know. I know x is 3. I do not know dy dt. That's what I want to find. I know y is 4. I know dx dt is -6. So I have 3 dy dt minus 24 equals 0. So let's add 24. So I have 3 dy dt equals 24. I'm going to divide all of that by 3. Come up here. So I've got dy dt is going to equal 8. Now, this is a rate, so if it was a story problem, we would write 8 feet per minute, 8 miles per second, 8 whatever per whatever is in the story problem. But because this is taken out of the context of the story problem, we just have the answer. This is also why we don't need to do the answer in terms of a sentence for this one, because it doesn't have that story problem attached to it. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll try that last related rates problem.